Skippy Catch is a high-energy and active game that combines elements of coordination and catching. Skippy Catch is an exciting game that involves two players and a ball. Game begins with one player tossing the ball towards their opponent player. The receiver must catch the ball and immediately toss it back to their opponent while remaining balanced on their skippy jump. The Strongman League game is an exciting game where participants showcase their incredible strength by balancing the two different sizes of balls in their palm of their hand. For the Strongman League game, the players need to be stand in the boundary with balancing the two different sizes of ball in the palm of their hand. The opponent will start the game by hit the players with the ball. Who fail to balancing the two balls and get hit by the ball will considered out and must leave the play area immediately. The game continues until all members of one team get out of the game and making the other team as a winner.
With minimum 2 people in a team, players are to run to the opposite station and carefully pick up the ball using their chopsticks together. Then, they are to come back and place the ball carefully on top of the bottle in their station. If the player drops the ball, they will have to restart the race. Players will have to observe and synchronize their movements in order to successfully win the game. The first player in the team will have to rush to the opposite station, grab a stone using their chopsticks and place it at their station as they pass the baton to the next player. They should do so while avoiding the ball obstacle in the middle. If the player drops the stone or gets hit by the ball, they will have to restart the game. Players will have to be fully alert while controlling their speed and chopstick grip to successfully win the game.
Participants were divided into one group. Participants are required to use their feet to grab the ball and pass to the next participant to place the ball inside the plate. Participants need to be flexible and turn their whole body to put the ball inside the plate. This game, participants are required to be individual, and each participant will be given a place or a color so that the participants have to perform it in a way to improve their cardiovascular endurance.
From BTSL. The first game that I organized is Power Jump. Firstly, I use 7 water bottles and more than 5 people can participate in this game. The first step of the game is arrange water bottles according to the space distance 1 to 2 meters, and participants need to jump over them properly until the finishing point. Participants can improve power and cardiovascular health, endurance, coordination and balance. So the second game that I organized is Extreme Balance. I use ball for bounce and tap to make it hexagon. The first step, bounce the ball and attempt to keep it balanced for at least 30 seconds in the same location. The ball must be inside the hexagon and cannot stop bouncing, and it must continue to bounce until the game is over. From this first video, you can see the first participant cannot bounce and balance the ball properly. In this extreme balance game, participants can improve their posture and also mind-body connection.